Hello, I'm Robert Del Grande. Great cooking can be quick and simple if you have the right ingredients on hand. One of my favorite on-hand ingredients is California figs. Fresh California figs, when they're in season, are absolutely fabulous, but dry California figs are a delicious ingredient you want to have on hand in your pantry all year round. Here's a delicious yogurt and fig parfait that you can make in seconds. First, some yogurt. Put it in a mixing bowl. Then a little bit of peanut butter or nut butter to make it kind of very, very rich and luscious. Then some dried figs. These are gold figs to give it that nice little fruity flavor. Then some exotic notes. I like to add a little bit of cocoa, a little bit of vanilla, and just a touch of maple syrup. Then we're going to stir it all together. Just watch how those flavors all harmonize. You get this beautiful texture, kind of thick and creamy and luscious. Look how beautiful that is. Now you could make a gorgeous presentation with granola and figs and coconut, or you can eat it right out of the bowl. It's so quick and delicious, but only if you have the right ingredients on hand. So next time you're at the market, be sure you pick up some California dried figs for your pantry. Figs make even the simplest dish delicious. When you think delicious, think figs. And when you think figs, think California.